I'm Kim, and this is Norm. We are part-time RVers and full-time adventurers. Living life to the fullest is our quest because, as you know, tomorrow is never promised.
All right, I got the coffee ready.
Awesome.
It's yours.
It's time to figure out what we're doing.
I know. We have so much to do to get ready.
We do.
Are we going to be able to get it done in the next couple of weeks?
Well, you're going to have to do some of it
because you're getting out of Dodge.
I am getting out of Dodge. But we leave in 3 weeks?
No, less than 3 weeks.
On our
and
list.
then we still have a ton of stuff we got to buy. Most of it's YouTube stuff.
Well, the top on our list, should we tell them? The top on our list is a new computer for Kim. Hey, we're going to our local Apple dealer to look for a new laptop for me. Yay!
Oh, did you notice? New swag.
New swag.
Yes. Our Mountain Beaches coffee mugs.
You can find this on our YouTube channel, right?
Yes.
I don't know how they do that.
Oh, so you can find it if you're watching us on your smartphone or on a computer. You can get to our shop. It's you go to our main page, and then there's different menu bar at the top. One of them says shop. You click on that, and we've got several different items. Coffee mugs are like $14. We have the stainless steel tumbler and a stainless water bottle.
Yep.
And some shirts are on there as well that you can order.
Yep. These are stickers on here, just so you know that it's something that you probably wouldn't want to put in the dishwasher. But those are stickers. And have you noticed? We have new shirts.
Yeah, let's get this out of the way here.
So
Kim has one of our new logos. We've done a little bit of new branding.
Yep.
But we haven't changed from the stand up and turn around. We still have
how about I just show them like this?
The yin yang. That'll always be our main logo. These are just some additional branding elements.
Yep. So here's a tank. Hope you can see it. That's the back of the tank. And
Mountain Beaches. And the front has our new Mountain
icon.
Beaches icon.
So these are not for sale yet. These are ones that we just made for us to see how we liked them. We wanted to make sure that the quality was what we liked, which I really like this. I don't know what it's made out of, but it's really smooth and
yeah. These are new era.
But we also did some sweatshirts. Hide my face. Main logo on the back.
Monochrome version of the logo. So we got some swag. Oh, and some stickers.
Yeah. We got a 3-inch and a 4-inch.
You get the big one. I got the little one. 3 and a 4.
Yep.
Full color. And these things are awesome. So
they really are. So for these, we would like you to have the opportunity to have one if you would like. And the way you're going to do that is I've been working really hard on making us a website.
Kim has been working weeks and weeks, night and day, at a new website that is out there now.
It's out there now. It's called Mountain Beaches
mountainbeaches.com.
Okay, mountainbeaches.com. And if you will go onto the website and give us your email, we will send you a sticker. So
for free.
For free.
Yeah.
And we would love for you to have one and be able to just show that you love us.
Right. And we will never give your email list or your email address away to anybody ever, ever, ever.
No.
We'll use it, and we'll send you, once we start doing a newsletter, then you'll get a newsletter from us every now and then, but we won't spam your inbox.
No, not at all. And we're going to start a blog. I have a couple of blog posts on there. So we're having some fun. You know, I retired recently. This is more work. This is more work.
Before she retired, she used to say, I don't know what I'm going to do with all my time. And I just kind of laughed.
We got back from our last trip and we washed up the RV.
She was a dirty girl.
She was a very dirty girl. We washed the outside, Norm washed the outside, I washed the inside.
Our trailer is filthy, both inside and out. After having spent about 6 weeks in the desert, there's just dust everywhere and bugs all over on the outside. It just needs a huge cleaning in and out. That's what we're doing. All right, I think I got everything that I need. Got the pressure washer, hose. We have some soap at the trailer and a bucket.
That's all. Do you have the long scrubby thing?
You have the long pole.
Yep.
So I think we're good. All right. Time to do this.
Yeah.
This thing is filthy.
Dusty. I was so sneezy when we came home from all the dust that's in here. First thing on my list is that composting toilet.
That's the one bad thing about the composting toilet, but it really isn't that bad.
No. Well, you don't know. You've never cleaned it.
That's why it's not bad.
But I have cleaned it, and I can tell you it is not that bad.
See? I told you.
He cannot say it. So after the composting toilet, the next project is to wipe down all of the cabinets. They're dusty. So I'm just gonna put a little touch of Dawn in my bucket of hot water and wipe all of these down, and then I'm gonna go over them with this Old English scratch cover for dark woods. I heard about this from Tara on Changing Lanes, and so I'm gonna give that a try. You know how one thing leads to the next? So I think by cleaning out the inside of the cabinets, this gives me an opportunity to do a little rearranging, reorganizing, decluttering. This job is going to take longer than I thought.
So I'm starting with a good rinse before we get the soap on there. This thing is caked in dust.
So as I'm cleaning out the cabinets in here, up in this cabinet, I found an envelope that said 2019 taxes. So I guess that means that our taxes were not filed on time and that we need to extend. Or maybe we have already extended. Norm does that, so.
All right, how's it going in here?
Oh, geez. It's a lot bigger job than I had intended. It always seems to get worse before it gets better, but I decided if I was going to clean, I should deep clean because that really fine dust was just everywhere. The refrigerator, we took it completely apart.
You got stuff all over the place.
I do have stuff all over
What is
the place.
this?
So you guys are going to want to know this. In order to clean out the refrigerator in the trailer, I had to unscrew the sides in order to get, especially these racks out. Go get those glass things. Those were the worst. In order to get these,
Oh, these are filthy.
yeah, in order to get these out, I haven't washed them yet, obviously. I had to take the brackets and you had to unscrew those.
Oh.
Yeah. So I'm doing my job.
And we got that done. And now we just have a bunch of
Miscellaneous
things. Yeah, things that we've been wanting to do for a long time, things that are just kind of annual maintenance things that need to be done. And we did a video on getting your RV ready in the springtime, maybe last year. And so we'll put a link to that just right up here in the corner.
But we've also put together a spring checklist. Whether you're a newbie or not, I feel like this checklist is really important to help you get your rig ready. If you're not full-timers and you've put your rig away for the winter and you're ready to get it out in the spring, there's a lot of really important things for you to do.
Yeah, and regardless of how long you've been RVing, you always forget something.
Yep.
So we've worked on a checklist that we are going to put up on our website, and you just go to our website and enter your email and you'll get the PDF file, and you can use that as a reminder of
things. So some of the things that are on there, wash your trailer. We washed ours before we put it away, so we're not going to wash it again.
Right, we just washed it a few
weeks ago. Yeah. So many things. I won't read them all.
I do need to wax it.
Yes.
We've owned ours for about 18 months now and haven't waxed it yet. So it needs a wax job before we head off on our big summer adventure.
This RV checklist has all sorts of things on it. Inspect the roof, check the tires, check your TPMS system, check your refrigerator, all of the things that you really should do. So please go to our website and get the complete list.
Yeah, download the checklist and add
to it.
Add to it, and also put in the comments below things that we don't have on our checklist, so we can make it, it can be a growing document.
Thanks.
Yeah, this is just a starting point, so give us all your great ideas.
And the more regular maintenance that we can do, the least amount of problems we have out on the road.
Exactly.
But back to our travels.
Yes. Oh, we're just so excited. I can't hardly wait. Just 2.5 more weeks, and we are on the road again.
We are on the road again, and one of the very first stops not the first stop, but one of the closest stops that we'll make along the way is going up into Idaho and meeting with our friend that we met in a class on their homestead. And we're going to go volunteer on their homestead for 5 days or so.
Yeah, they're building a home, and we're just going to go whatever they need done. We're going to be there to help paint or hammer or clear debris or whatever. Extra hands, so really excited about that. We're going to take a few weeks to get up to northern Idaho, which is where they're at, and then after that we're going to head east, and we're going to work our way, across Idaho, across Montana, across South Dakota, up into Minnesota,
to Michigan.
Yeah, through Michigan. I can't remember what all states we go through back in there, because we've never been back there before. We're going to end up in Vermont.
Yep.
Is kind of the furthest east we're going to go, and then we're going to come back heading west, because we're going back to the National Rally, Grand Design National Rally.
In Elkhart. Is it Elkhart? Yeah.
Yeah, Elkhart, Indiana, the end of August, 1st of September.
Yes.
And we'll be there. So
we'll be there.
If you're going to be there, we'll look forward to seeing you. We might have a little meet and greet at our camp. We'll be together with all of the Grand Design influencers, and I don't know if we've even told you guys this yet.
Yep.
Have we?
I don't know.
We're now We are now official Grand Design ambassadors or influencers.
Yep.
And we are so excited about that because we just love Grand Design.
What does that mean for us? It just means that they support us and we support them, and we just
they're going to give us some swag to give out.
Yes, and this just makes a great community and a great place to be involved. So we're really excited about that.
Grand Design National Rally, end of August. We'll be there.
Yes.
And then after that, we're not quite sure, but I think we're going to head south.
That is the only part that we're not quite sure.
Right.
All the way up to getting to Elkhart, we are scheduled.
Right. Well, we do have reservations at Mammoth Cave National Park.
Yes.
So we have that in the books.
Yeah. But this is not our usual. We're not doing boondocking. I mean, we're using a lot of harvest hosts. We've made our reservations all across the way.
Yep, state parks.
Yeah, this is not our usual, so we'll see how we do.
I think it's going to be awesome. I am so excited for this trip. Really looking forward to it. Spanning the whole time that we've got planned. If you remember, last year we started out on our big summer adventure, and we were gone 2 weeks, and I threw my back out, and we came back home, and I had back surgery. So
yep.
That's in the past. This year, we're doing the whole thing.
We are doing the whole thing, absolutely. So we are so excited about it, but you got to get busy, hon. You got a lot to do. I'm going to go off and see my sister. You've got a lot to do.
Yeah, she's heading off to the state of Washington to visit her sister, and I got to get the trailer ready.
Yeah?
Does that sound fair?
Yes, it sounds very fair to me.
All right, so if you want a sticker, then go to our website, mountainbeaches.com, enter your email address, and I'm not sure exactly how we're going to do this. Maybe we'll email you to get your mailing address, and then we will send you one of these stickers. You can put it on your trailer or your tow vehicle, or
we'll figure it out. We haven't figured out all the ins and outs of it
wherever you
yet.
want. They're really nice.
Yep.
And also you can download the checklist.
If you really have enjoyed this video, right over here, we've chosen another video for you to watch. So click on that link, and we'll join you there.
See you in the next video.
Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.